Welcome to Drive Smart. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and timeless classic cars ever built, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This legendary vehicle is a perfect blend of German engineering and Italian-inspired design, making it a true icon on the road. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia was first introduced in 1955 as a collaboration between Volkswagen, the German coach builder Karmann, and the Italian design house Ghia. It was created to offer a more stylish and sporty alternative to the Volkswagen Beetle while maintaining the brand's affordability and reliability. Unlike high-performance sports cars, the Karmann Ghia was built as a personal luxury coupe and convertible with smooth curves and elegant lines that captured attention worldwide. Although it was manufactured in Germany, the Karmann Ghia gained immense popularity across the globe, especially in the United States, where it became a favorite among car enthusiasts who wanted European elegance without a hefty price tag. Over 445,000 units were sold between 1955 and 1974, proving its widespread appeal. When it comes to performance, the Karmann Ghia wasn't built for speed, but for style and comfort. It initially came with a 1.2L air-cooled, flat-4 engine producing around 30 horsepower, which later improved to 1.6L with 60 horsepower in the later models. While it wasn't a high-speed racer, its lightweight body allowed for a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The top speed was around 85 miles per hour, 137 km/h, making it ideal for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive driving. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Karmann Ghia benefited from Volkswagen's legendary air-cooled engine technology, delivering around 25 to 30 miles per gallon. This made it an economical choice compared to other sports cars of its time. The rear-engine, rear-wheel drive setup gave it decent handling, and while it wasn't designed for aggressive cornering, it offered a smooth and stable ride on highways and city streets alike. The Karmann Ghia was known for its key features, including a beautifully handcrafted body with chrome accents, a simple yet functional dashboard, and an optional convertible soft top. Unlike luxury cars, it didn't come with high-end features, but its elegant styling and comfortable interiors made it a joy to own. The lack of unnecessary complexity also made it easy to maintain and repair, a reason why many classic car collectors still cherish it today. In terms of pricing, when the Karmann Ghia was new, it was positioned slightly above the Beetle, but still affordable for middle-class buyers. Today, its value varies significantly depending on the model year and condition. Well-maintained classic Karmann Ghias can sell for anywhere between $15,000 and $50,000, and, with rare or fully restored versions going even higher. The main selling points of the Karmann Ghia were its timeless design, reliability, and affordability. Unlike other sports cars that required high maintenance costs, this Volkswagen Classic offered an exotic appeal without the complications of high-performance mechanics. It became a symbol of affordable luxury and personal expression, making it a dream car for many who appreciated vintage European styling. That's all for today's episode. If you love classic cars like the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. See you next time on Drive Smart.